When a procedure requires you to retract the gum tissue away from the tooth, what are your options? Retraction cord can be an effective way to create a sulcular opening, but they're time-consuming to use, increase the patient's healing time, and in many cases cause so much discomfort that they require anesthetic, and can even result in irreversible gingival retraction. Many retraction pastes avoid these problems, but introduce other issues instead, such as insufficient viscosity to open the sulcus, the need to use a cotton cap, or a taste so terrible that patients complain. Luckily, not all retraction pastes are created equal. For a wide range of procedures, your best option may be Acteon's Expasyl, the only gingival retraction paste that provides enough gentle force to open the sulcus, but does not damage the epithelial attachment or cause the patient any pain. In fact, Expasyl efficiently opens and dries the sulcus, without the need for any added accessories, cotton caps, solutions, or treatments. It's a highly effective retraction paste that enables you to obtain a horizontal sulcular opening that is significantly greater than what can be achieved with a cord, all without causing a lesion, bleeding, or pain. With Expasyl, waiting for tissue healing becomes a thing of the past, as the tissue is perfectly preserved. For example, even if there is profuse bleeding during preparation, you can still complete impression taking in the same visit. Plus, because Expasyl is atraumatic, the risks of permanent gingival retraction and bone resorption are significantly reduced. A big key as to why Expasyl is atraumatic is that it creates the ideal amount of pressure to get the job done. Expasyl generates 37 times less pressure than a retraction cord, and 1.7 to 9.2 times more pressure than other retraction compounds, which aren't always strong enough to create the sulcular opening you need to gain full access to the preparation limits and emergence profile. You'll also appreciate the fact that the protocol for using the Expasyl gingival retraction paste is so simple and fast that it saves you up to 5 minutes per tooth. It takes just 20 seconds to place the paste in the sulcus, and then 1 to 2 minutes for it to work. To use Expasyl, start by rinsing and drying the preparation. Then position the end of the applicator tip to create a closed space and slowly extrude the paste. At this point, you may notice how Expasyl's viscosity is perfectly calibrated to effectively open the sulcus without damaging the epithelial attachment. After applying the paste, press the end of the applicator tip to the tooth and pivot it. The compound cord is then easily broken away. Let Expasyl act for just 1 to 2 minutes. While it's acting, you'll be able to see the gum tissue whitening, indicating the compression exerted by the material. Finally, clear the area with a gentle air-water spray. Once the paste has been removed, the area is perfectly dried, without fluids, saliva, or blood. Bleeding will not resume, and you'll be able to easily access the cervical limit and emergence profile. That's it! The sulcus is opened and the site is completely dry, all with no injury, pain, or bleeding. You can use Expasyl gingival retraction paste in a wide range of clinical cases, including conventional and digital impressions, sealing and bonding, conservative dentistry when restoring class 2 and 5 cavities, and implants. Expasyl is a simple, fast, and cost-effective solution for gingival retraction that saves you time and money and gives you effective, atraumatic, and painless results. Backed by over 15 years of clinical evidence, as well as support from clinicians and KOLs worldwide, Expasyl from Acteon is your best choice to provide a natural and aesthetic prosthesis.